Hey guys! So, in past videos that I probably haven't uploaded, I have had a bit of hard time with slime. So I decided I'm not going to make slime, I'm not going to get a weird kit from the dollar store, I'm going to buy slime from the dollar store. So I got some of this, some jelly boba. It says that it's supposed to be good. Greatest of all time. So today I'm going to test this and see if I hate it. So, I obviously took the plastic wrap off, sniffed it, don't ask. I don't like stuff that smells terrible. So let's crack it open. That was satisfying. It landed. So I have some add-ons with... Okay, I'm like, why is the bag wet? But these are like Orbeez. I also have some add-ons from a past slime making kit. I don't think I've uploaded that video yet. It didn't end well. It didn't end well. I'll just say that. So it's pretty watery. It's not gonna like ruin my desk, right? It better not. So it's actually pretty fun to play with. Now the color is much more subdued than it looks on here. Oh, did I show you my nails? I wanted to give them golden tips, but I couldn't because I didn't have like a makeup sponge for the YouTube hack. Really? Yeah. It's watery and sticky at the same time. So, I can't really do one of those like slime flowers like other people do, but I can take, probably should have like cleaned off my desk and made sure that nothing could get on it, but I'm gonna take this. Got our beads. Wait, people usually put it in the cup. So let's make this ASMR worthy. It's dollar store. It's not that worthy. It's like you only got one shot at this, Brynna. That smells pretty good. It smells really good. Why did I sniff the beads? I don't know what I want to do with this. So, like, I'm gonna put these... Oh, where did I go? So I'm gonna put these... The right there, bubble. I'm gonna put... I'm not that good with ASMR, guys. I'm gonna put these in here. And then, sometimes when people get boba, they put in some ice. I'm gonna do some ASMR with this. I'm not that good with ASMR. Okay, let's find a pair of, remnants of something else I did sometime. Snip. Watch me struggle. It didn't even cut the bag. Okay, there we go. And let's like kind of put this around. Okay, I can't wait to press this down. This looks so ASMR worthy though. Like, look at that. The feel. Okay, ready? We're gonna sink it in. Everything is flying everywhere. I don't think that's how it's supposed to be, though. Let me just clear out the garbage and the scissors. It smells so good, though. Like, I don't know what this smells like. Kind of like cleaner, but not as, like, boraxy or whatever they put in cleaner. The charms really like to fall out because it's essentially a water slime. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can crush one of these. They're like Orbeez, but invincible. Invincible Orbeez. That's an interesting concept. I love it. Oh, did you hear the sound on that? These things just keep on falling out. Let me just collect this and put this in the reusable bag that the other pearls were originally in. Let me just get that out. Okay, so I picked out all the charms, pretty much. I love the sound it makes, though. It's so good. It's like... But I do like how it kind of, like, it's just really nice, even though the charms are constantly falling out because they don't like to stay in, and it gets all over your hands. So let's do some rating. Okay, ready? I said rating. Oh. 1 second. So, for the rating of the slime, we have to look at some elements. The packaging, the color, the smell, all that. So the packaging, it's on point. It is Jelly Boba. I do like that they give you like a storage compartment for, say, your add-ons. That's not the add-ons that came with it. And I do like the container on the top. Although they had no like place to rip the covered plastic, so I had to take scissors to it. So I like the packaging. It's pretty good. Although it does not say what the scent is. It just says scented. So I was like, what does this smell like? Because it kind of smells like a cleaner kind of thing. So like the packaging is really cute, but it does not say what smell it is. And the texture is actually pretty good. Minus points for this, not like string. It's kind of weird. For the texture that I think it was supposed to be, like the water slime texture, it's good. It's pretty on point. The amount of mix-ins for the boba theme is good, but like my sister, she got like a cake one. It smelled terrible. Like, she got 5 sprinkles. Like, I would say they could have added more mix-ins. ASMR-wise, it depends what you're doing. For a water slime, the ASMR is pretty good. What else? The color, fabulous. The scent, again, wish they said what it was on the package, but other than that, like, there's a disco slime. Like, what scent would a disco slime be? So the packaging is super cute. The add-ins, pretty good, but I wish they had more. Also, I wish they would stick in. I don't know if that's just a thing with this kind of water slime, but like nothing is staying on. It's like, I like that it's sort of sticky. I like the ASMR, kinda. Like, I'm gonna ask some of my friends that watch this channel if, like, it's good ASMR, because they know slime better than me. Just, I kind of don't like slime. So let's give you 30 seconds of ASMR and then wrap up the video. And 30 seconds up. I guess I'll wrap up, guys. I'll ask some people to, I'll ask some of my friends who watch this channel what they think of it. And yeah, I like this. I might go back to the dollar store, because there's this one that was like Disco Fever, and it actually looked like a decent clear slime. Although I wish it said what it was scented, because someone, like, this scent, sorry, I had to. Like, I don't know what that smells like. It's like, I just can't put, I just don't know. Anyways, it's been fun. I love this slime. I'm starting to not hate slime as much. I hope I can get one with, like, sprinkles in it. 2 more of the beads just fell out. Hope I can get one with, like, sprinkles in it. And I gotta go. I guess, see you guys whenever I post. I post sometimes weekly. Bye.